Is a different. For one to connect all these dots that we have mentioned, of course we can connect the dots, but they are very, very different issues on their own. Starting off with the health workers, I don't have the exact figure with me, but close to 80% have been vaccinated. So it's not that it's like a 20%, 10%, 20, 30% or below 50%. 80% of our health workers have been vaccinated. So yes, there is a need to make it 100%, which we are pushing, and something we are trying to motivate people. We are urging people. We cannot force people to take vaccination, which we've been very clear from day one. But we need to understand that we need to sensitize people and convince them that vaccination is the only way forward. I'll just give a small number to all of you. That out of the 749, the numbers that I have, which is up to 9th of July, so about 749, 691 people, which means 92% of the people who lost their lives, 92% did not take a single dose also. So clear data and indication coming in that vaccination is absolutely necessary. So I once again would like to urge all concerned, those who have not taken vaccine, and if there's somebody in the press also, I would like to urge you also, that we have clear indication that those people who lost their lives, 92% of them had not taken a single dose. So therefore, it is important to take vaccination, and similarly, we are asking our health workers also to do that. So those numbers in the months to come and weeks to come is going to go up. Regarding the fertility rate, which you've mentioned, is 1.8. Yes, every life is important. It's high. But as I said, it's something that one cannot say how things, how this virus will behave. We saw a large number of people who were dying about 4 weeks, 3 weeks back, when we had touched a peak of almost losing 20 plus, 30 plus people every day. But I'm happy to inform you that that number has considerably gone down. It's not a happy thing. There should be no life that should be lost, but at least the fact that the numbers are going down is a positive indicator. So today we lost 9 lives, which again is not acceptable. I feel that not even a single life should be lost. But compared to what it was before, the numbers have gone down considerably. So clearly, our mechanism of ensuring that early treatment and early diagnosis and people taking early medication is helping. The fact that the vaccination drive that is taking place is helping. And overall, the partnership of the community and the elected members, and more importantly, the health workers coming in and giving timely vaccination as well as treatment is helping. So we are seeing the numbers go down, but more needs to be done. And we are totally committed to it, and we will do whatever we can in our capacity to ensure that we have no more loss of lives when it comes to COVID. We'll try our best, but this is a very unpredictable virus, and we are seeing a lot of lives being lost, but we are doing our best to ensure that we keep it to the least.